Hello, welcome to HiBiz News. This is Kranti Muddam. The latest ranking of global solar companies by Mercom Capital ranks the Adani Group as a global solar power generation asset owner in terms of operating, under construction and awarded solar projects. Adani's renewable energy portfolio exceeds the total capacity installed by the entire United States solar industry in 2019 and will displace over 1.4 billion tons of carbon dioxide over the life of its assets. The group is one of the most fully integrated solar players in the world, manufacturing solar cells and modules, undertaking project development, construction, financial structuring, and owning and operating its assets through its robust internal asset management platform. The growth story of AGEL mirrors the global growth story of renewable energy following the audacious promise made by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, at the COP21 International Solar Alliance meeting held in Paris in December 2015. His vision foresaw India accelerating towards a rapid transition to renewable power. This is now manifested by the fact that India is one of the just 6 nations and by far the largest that is on track to meet the COP21 goals. Adani Green Energy Limited AGEL established its first solar project in 2015, and even as recently as 2017 the company had completed just 2 solar projects. The company went public in 2018 and has accelerated its presence to reach the current milestone of being the largest solar player in the world in a short span of just 5 years, with a target to achieve an installed generation capacity of 25 GW of renewable power by 2025. In response to this ranking, Mr. Gautam Adani, chairman of the Adani Group, said, "Achieving this ranking is a direct result of our commitment to creating the infrastructure needed for a clean powered future. While we are pleased to be ranked the largest solar player in the world, we recognize that there is a lot more that remains for us to do as the world transitions into an increasingly decarbonized energy landscape. We anticipate that over the next decade, several existing business models will be impacted as a result of disruption caused by the intersection of plummeting cost of renewable energy and the abilities of technology to rescale industries. We expect our renewable energy platform will create new possibilities for our core business, and we will be able to address some of the most intractable problems that humankind has faced, including affordable decentralized energy, availability of distributed clean water, green hydrogen as an alternate fuel, and microagriculture, among others. Building partnership with major industrials, data center providers, and global integrated energy players that seeks to reduce carbon footprints will also continue to further accelerate of our growth. AGEL was launched just 5 years ago. A story is only beginning. AGEL also achieved a top spot in the global ranking in terms of under construction and awarded capacity with 10.1 GW of projects, making it the definite leader in mega scale renewable energy project deployments. As India pushes to invite more global business partners to invest domestically, it seems its growing renewable footprint as helping companies simultaneously fulfill 2 essential goals: tapping into one of the fastest growing consumer markets and achieving their sustainable targets. The Adani Group has positioned at this interaction to help the partners attain both these objectives. About the Adani Group, it is an integrated industrial conglomerate operating globally with 6 publicly traded companies with total revenues of $15 billion and a market capitalization of $30 billion. It has created world-class transport and utility infrastructure portfolios with a pan-India presence. Adani Group is headquartered in Ahmedabad in the state of Gujarat, India. Over the years, Adani Group has positioned itself to be the market leader in its transport logistics and energy utility portfolio business, focusing on large-scale infrastructure development in India with O&M practices benchmarked to global standards. With 4 IG rated business, it is the only infrastructure investment grade issuer in India. Adani owes its success and leadership position to its core philosophy of nation building driven by growth with goodness, a guiding principle for sustainable growth. Adani is committed to increase its ESG footprint by realigning its business with emphasis on climate protection and increasing community outreach through its CSR program based on the principles of sustainability, diversity and shared values. Thank you for watching HighBiz News.